Hi guys, in one of the session we have already seen break statement with while loop. So in this session we are going to implement another example of break statement. So in this example what we are going to see is we have a username and password. If user enter password maximum 3 times, then it will disable to log in the user, and after that it will also show a message that you have already tried for 3 times. So I will show you the examples itself. So let's we are taking the username equal to input, enter username, and then after that I am declaring password as empty, or we can go on later on. So I'll just declare it as empty, initialize it as empty. So password equal to double quotes, and I am counting attempt. So at attempt equal to 0, and I am giving one more variable called flag equal to 0. You will see the use of flag later on. So I am checking while attempt not equal to 3. If attempt is not equal to 3, I will allow user to enter the password. So I am saying password equal to input, enter password. User have entered his password, and then now I am checking the password. So if password equal to I am giving the predefined value. So admin, if the password equal to admin, so I am saying that user is correct. So I am assigning flag equal to 1, and then I am breaking this over here. Means what I am doing is I am taking username, then again I am assigning password as empty, and I have a variable name attempt, ATTMP, and this attempt will be here. So I will copy paste. So attempt equal to 0 and flag equal to 0. If attempt not equal to 0, for beginning it is 0. So if it not equal to 3, means by default it is 0, so it will not be 3. That is a confirm. So I am taking the password, and I am checking now password equal to admin. So if it is admin, so I should break over here because I don't have to go further. So break. If not, then what I have to do is else I have to increment the attempt value. So I have already copied that. So attempt equal to attempt plus 1, increment by 1, and now check if attempt equal to 3. So what I will say to user, print. Okay, so user have already tried the maximum attempt. Now this scenario has been clear. If what I am doing in else, I am incrementing the password attempt if first time user login, and if it is wrong, then it will go here and attempt equal to 1, not equal to 3, right? Again enter, it will be 2. If user password is wrong, then attempt equal to 2, so it is still not satisfied. 3, and if it is again wrong, so it will check, and then it will come here. Okay, now I will explain again. So first time it is 0, so it will go inside here, and then it will check the password. If password not equal to admin, then it will come to the else block, and this will be 1. If then again it will check for this attempt equal to 3, no, because attempt equal to 1, so it will go again to here, attempt equal to 1, okay, go inside, then check password. If wrong, attempt equal to 2, check not 2, then again go to this condition, 2 not equal to 3, yes, then comes inside, and this will become, if third time also enter user enters wrong password, then attempt equal to 3. If attempt equal to 3, it will print the message. Now if first time only user or second time only user created enter the correct password, then flag equal to 1. So now the condition will come for the flag. So for that I will go here and I will check that flag condition. If flag equal to 1, you can also use boolean true or false. If it is true, then it will come here. So I have not used boolean, you can check that. So true, print welcome, and after that I will give the username. Now let's run this. I have done mistake over here. This closing will be inside before comma. Now I am giving username and password correct. Say welcome. Now I will try to give the wrong password. So A 2 times, 3 times. So you have tried the maximum attempt. So if you have any query, you can ask me. Thank you for watching.